Hello guys, wait. Okay, yeah, it's working. Great. Okay, hello. I put that one into another if it's on Windows. I might close it up accidentally. Hello, hello. Let me put on the chat on my phone so I can see it while working. Might be a better solution. Anyways, today I'm gonna try and make a mod for Minecraft. Might be transforming into a series since there you go. Since it might take quite some time to even set up the mod. I started it already, it's all kind of set up. Um what I did already is modify this build.gradle file to just include the dependencies and repositories I need, and also the config, the workspace settings, the display name, my place to die, my place to die, mod ID, package name. I might change that up though. Net, my address will be yeah, net dot studycraft of many ways to die. Version, yeah. This, I'm just reviewing. I'm gonna make this to, yes, refactor the workspace. There we go. Got corrupted. Uh, oh, okay. That's okay. That's okay. Don't worry. All right. It's reloading it. There we go. Now, can I play it or will it crash? Oh, uh, it couldn't find this. Oh, why can't I see what's gone wrong? Why does it clear everything up? You know? It's reloading the Gradle project. There we go, it's reloaded. Wait, so there's a big error then in the build.gradle. Is there? Wait, is that actually true? Wait. You set up with Forge. Oh my. I think I should. Wait. Edge add-ons. Accept. I'm going to talk reader. No way, it's not. It is here. Why didn't it pop up already? Anyway, start reader on. This page is protected by browser, but this one isn't. Oh, that's much better. That's much better. Alright. So, I don't know why. Okay, let's install the recommended extension. Maybe it might be great. To have this specific extension to get us. Oh, I need to install Java now. Oh my god. I like to use adoption one personally. Wait, it looks ugly using the dark reader thing. Its latest releases, Java. I recommend you uh, picking an LTS version and the latest one, 25. Yeah, some might say it's not great. You should put 21 instead of 25. Oh, but not gonna lie, 25 will work with the latest Minecraft versions anyway. So yeah, let's do Windows for x64 and let's download the GDK as an MSI. Yup. And let's now run the installer. Might take some time. I have no clue. Let's the untype feature will be installed and bam. We have to wait now. Yes. Finish. And that's it. Now I'm also gonna install because why not the GRE version like this as well as an MSI. I installed the GRE, just to make it so we don't have to download it later if we need to, because sometimes we don't even need it. But if at some point we do need it, well, it's gonna be hold on. So there we go, that's done. Now I want to be sure. So this I know I fixed already. But apparently it still doesn't work. So wait, I'm gonna restart all of this. And there we go. Does it work now? I have no clue. Does it have, yeah, Gradle for Java, and it does work, apparently. So, should be great. Trust it, bro. There you go. Oh, now it's working. It didn't work before. Okay, let me restart it then, maybe. I don't know. I have no clue what I'm doing. Guys, if you have anything to say, like to help me or something, if you're a developer, you can absolutely, um, yeah. This window is trusted. So let's add my workspace as trusted, which is in my MCreator workspaces. Let's trust the folder. Okay. Now let's reopen it. It should be trusted by default now. Yes. So now it logs everything in by default. Now this, all of this. I'm gonna ask AI if this would work. Like at this point. Uh, would this work for my current setup? I'm scared because I never actually developed on Neoforge. I tested a bit of fabric, but it was so much of a hell because the tutorials were outdated. So basically I couldn't do a thing. So yeah, I was kinda deep fried. I didn't know what to do. So yeah, I hope it works. Because like repositories and dependencies, actually it might work, but like I don't know. Since uh well, before it was it like I don't know actually like the customer is likely not work with your current set for two main reasons. Artifact mismatch, Forge versus Neoforge. Your build gradual indicates you are using Neoforge via rdnet.neoforge.mod However, the dependency you selected is built for the MicroForge loader. Yeah. Oh. Oh. That is why. But wait, there's a problem then because if I return to my this, if I go to Linky Web, of course it opens like it says this thing but doesn't actually open in a new tab, right? If I go to the new Neoforge version I need, which is uh this one, I click in here, the repository is this. The dependency is oh my bad. Okay, yeah. Thanks AI. Reject. I'm gonna reject though because I want to try and do it by myself in some sort of way. Yeah, okay, so now I know what's wrong. I'm gonna disable everything. But wait, because there's a problem here. Daniel, so that's the actual thing we want, right? We do not want this. Or do we? I'm gonna import them all. So the Maven repository for this, I'm gonna put that here. Then we want the alternative one. Maybe. Actually, I have no clue if I should include the alternative one. I'll do. Uh, and then I'll include architectural API like that. I'm also gonna include the Maven repository for this. Uh, and clove config because I need it. Wait, is it on Neoforge? Wait, 1.8 gray. Now this I've done this right. Actually, there's two of them here. It's the exact same thing. So it's duplicates. We don't need duplicates here. Yeah. Mod API and Mod API as well. So yeah, Maven repository. Okay. So apparently this should work. I mean, it's the Neo4 version for everything. So my work have at least a better chance of working, you know. Let's test. Try launch it. It failed. What's the problem, build file? Of course, a pro could not find method mod API for arguments. Shit of that Gradle API into no. Oh my god. Okay. What went wrong? Could not find mod API. Okay. Okay. How to import APIs in build.gradle for Neoforge 1.21.8. Implementation. Oh, implementation. implementation. Uh, all right. That's just to set up the mod. I'm not even doing it actually. So I need to do for all of those. This is right, but those aren't. So it's implementation. And then we're gonna do this. I'm gonna delete that. So then we're gonna do implementation, and then we're gonna put no, what, reject. We're gonna do this. Then I'm gonna do implementation again. Take that. No, reject. They should really stop pissing people off. Okay, bro. Like that. And now it's your way. Hopefully. Hi, hello. How you doing? I'm trying to create a mod and it's been like, yeah, 15 minutes and I didn't even start creating it. It's just a setup. So I'm kinda cooked. Oh, wait, does it work? No, Gradle was not able to access the internet connection. Excuse me? Gradle failed to download the required files because the internet connection is either not available or blocked by firewall on antivirus software. I did say it. I did say it though. I don't care about how much time though. I did say it. I did say it. If other apps have internet, try to disable firewall or turn off antivirus software. If you don't have, uh, okay. Uh-huh. Bro, I swear. How can I not have an internet connection if I'm streaming, you know? Oh my god, I didn't even see this. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Configuring. Oh my god, I can't even read anymore. Configuration cache state could not be cached. Failed class value of stash something of type something. Error writing value of type something. Um, you know what? Let's close the workspace. Like close this as well. Close that. You know. By the way, I need to go. I might go charge my phone. By the way, it's on 38 and it survived. Oh, that's great. You got a good phone, don't you? And I'm gonna take a bath and watch something. Alright. Bro, don't even want to watch me. Alright. Alright. Bro, let me try to rerun this. Oh, now it works. Or will it? It says download assets, but it doesn't do a thing. What do you mean, yeah? Okay, bro. Bro actually don't want to watch me. Oh no. That's a crime. That's a crime. Excuse. Okay, bro deleted the message, fortunately. Oh my god. Yeah, see ya. See ya, bro. Anyways, so I have to install cloth config, which is okay. I'm gonna update the. Yeah, thanks. And good luck with your YouTube watching and bath and all. Why do I even say good luck for this? That's stupid. That is completely stupid, but that's okay. Wait, no, it's not this. It's mod.toml, right? Where's mod.toml? Is it in source? Resources? Meta inf. Is it this? It is. I'm so good. Okay, yeah. Update dodges and hopefully it does work. Though. Load the version, format, load the Java FML. Uh-huh. Mod ID Neoforge. It doesn't have Tamil support integrated, which is sad. That's okay. Mod ID cloth config required version range. Um. Uh-huh. Alright. My bad. I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna download cloth config and hope it works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna rage bait. Like literally. Yeah. Mods. Cloth config API. Versions. Platform Neoforge 1.21.8. It's this specific one I need. No other ones are allowed. I'm not even kidding. If I try to even um do the wrong one, if I do not do it correctly, I'm cooked. Wait, by the way, where's the wait, generate what? Is it in oh it's in run. Oh my bad. It's in run. It's there. And then mods here. Okay, great. Hopefully it works. Now I just need to come there and click this big button. Well, I just need to configure something, yeah. Main resources meta this. I'm getting used to it because I actually already modded on Fabric but never Neoforge and I'm scared of it. It doesn't look the same. Actually, it feels smaller. It's actually smaller and I kinda love it. So mod ID cloth config version range should be it's actually wait, what's the version range that is on the modern website? Mods this Abbott versions platform Neoforge 1.21.8 this. What is the version of this thing? Where is it? Oh, version number. My bad. So 19.0, yeah, this or above. So this like above or equal to this cloth config. Though is it actually cloth config? The actual thing. Is it cloth config? Or is it like I don't know. I mean let's try with this, right? And we'll see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm kinda cooked. I mean I can always retry, but yeah. The thing with Neoforge is it's fast to launch this thing, but then to load it's slow. and I hate it when it does this. So yeah. Mm-hmm. All right. Ooh, lots of errors over there. Oh, cloth config is not installed. What do you mean? Do I need to add maybe? I think I do need to add the little dash Neoforge thing here. Dash Neoforge. Like this. Maybe I do need to do this instead. Maybe it might work better now. I have no clue actually, so don't believe me if I say something, you know. It doesn't throw as much errors now, but I still do think that we, oh yeah, oh yeah. Um, excuse me, but it's not what I said. It's not what it is written, right? Main resources may in this thing. Now this thing here. What? But I've changed it. Did it skip? It skipped everything I've done. Okay, now I'm gonna sue them. Oh nah. Okay, let me copy the version number again. Because of course I have to. Because the above or equal to this config is gonna be dash neoforge. I'm gonna do Ctrl S. Now it should be saved. Um, hopefully now it works. If it doesn't, if it overwrites everything again, I swear I'm gonna be flipping rage baiting Neoforge. Because this doesn't happen on oh my, don't tell me they changed it. They did. I want to flip it. Why don't it work? Wait, do I have to do it through MCreator? If I can even do it through MCreator. Ooh, this might be way. Save changes. And if I try to open it back again, it's still there. But that's okay, I guess. Do I like regenerate code and build? Bam. Build workspace. And now there should be nothing there. Yup. And now from this, yep, there we go. Finally. Finally. Oh my. Okay, gosh. So this, depend, okay, dependencies, dots, many ways to die. Oh, of course, mod ID, wait, actual mod ID is equal to not forge, is equal to clove config new forge, uh, type is equal to re required. I mean, yes, it's required. The version range will be equal to above or equal to the version that is on Modern thread there, like that. The other ring is after inside this both. Okay, let's try this. I save it. Now I try to build a workspace. It erased everything I've done. Okay. Oh my. Now it's gonna run, but like without the thing I've said. So yeah, how does it even work? Why does Grado every time not work like this? It just doesn't, like, just won't work. Tomorrow, star only in annotation. The runtime number stripping behaviors. No, it's not good present, which may lead to shit. Okay. Only in. Proceed to main menu. Wait, mods. Mini waste ties, Neoforge. How can there be clove config v19 API? I didn't include it, right? Or was it in the build.gradle? It was. So that's why it keeps doing that. So it's not in the newforge.mods.toml, right? Don't think so. I mean, it keeps resetting every time, so I come to think about it. So it's in build.gradle. So you configure everything that, like, I'm just gonna disable this and disable that, and also disable this. Just because I don't want to, get a bunch of things. Also, in Cradle.gradle, there's nothing on this. No, there's nothing. Great. In settings.gradle, is there something? Yeah, actually. Uh, yeah, but that's okay. So what we can do now is just go and bring your call the builds and build workspace. And then this, and now it works. Potentially. It throws less errors at least. Only in annotation. The runtime number stripping behavior of this annotation is no longer present, which may lead to issues if that behavior was relied upon. How to fix this? How to actually fix this? OCR. Okay, let me close Minecraft though. Good game. Thanks. Now how to fix this. Fix the Markov config uses the only uh um having the exact same issue while trying to develop my mods. Comment. Yeah, bro. I knew it's not even my fault. It's crazy. Like, why? Like, I mean, if I go there, and I try running the client, which pretty easy, no lie. We just have to wait. And bam. Yeah. So basically, if I go to Glove Config API mod rather that I use, I can Neoforge this. It's this the only version is this, and it's 7 months ago, meaning they haven't updated it 7 months, and I can't go anywhere else too, unless I put the ones for any range. Like unless I modify bulldog to accept anything, any versions of Neoforge uh of the thing. So if I want Neoforge latest version, for example, as you can see, I could just literally just go there, clove config, and click this, and just over there, modify all of that to be this instead. Oh, and yeah, remove that to be like, wait, confusing implementation. Yeah, exactly. AI is actually helpful now. Will it work though? It might. It might not work in some cases. In some cases, it might not work though, and that's the actual main issue. Because they might have removed the only in thing, or they might have not. It draws a bunch of errors. You more requires new forge or above. Oh, oh, that's bad. Or maybe slightly less newer version, like not this one, but this one. This one. This still is clove config. It's just that it's less newer version, we'll say. So we have dependencies, and we do this. We replace mod API by implementation. Uh, and yes, that's it. Unless it unexpectedly just decides to crash as well, like it's possible. That just doesn't want to run, and it's crazy. Like mod developing is so bad. Ooh. Oh, okay. Clove config requires Neoforge. Oh, okay. So wait, how do you actually do it? Because like Neoforge, Archi architecturally this, but like this doesn't work. There's an error, so maybe this one. This one might work. It's like just one version up, so it might not like change a few things. Maybe fix some things, yeah, but it's not that bad. Bam. Implementation. Hopefully it works. Hopefully. I don't think that will because it might not actually. You know, it will throw a bunch of errors. Yeah. Yeah. Why is it 21.9.0 better? Huh? So the only option for us there is this. It's the only one available to us. So we have to make the user skip the error. We can't automatically do it, so we have to, yeah, tell the user that if there's like any problem with the actual thing, they just can't skip it. Because we can't change it ourselves, it's just impossible. Also, yeah, that's bad. This is the only thing that works. It's with an error. It actually does work, you know? It actually does, but it's just a warning because you can still play it. You can go on mods, click many ways to die, and yeah, as you can see, it does work. And this as well. And this config for clove config. You know, they made an example. It's just examples, by the way. So yeah, it does work. Great. Now, the thing I'm worried about, because we could just go there, select our platform, you know, select our game version, and this is the only version that is available. It's the exact same thing as what's it is written to build a Cradle file. It's what 190147. 19 yeah, so it just is that. But if we remove this and now include this now, yeah, we have a bunch of old things 2 months ago. It's still pretty old though. But I mean, what did you expect? And of course, there are no other things for there. Now, 3 weeks ago, 1 month ago, yeah, but it doesn't work because that's Neoforge, well, newer game versions. So yeah, we have no choice. So we have to create a config screen now because of course we have to. We absolutely have to, and that's the problem. So let's create it. Creating a config screen. Um, Call config builder create to create a new config builder. From there, you can set the background, create new categories, disable smooth scrolling, etc. The title will be automatically translated to the language the user selects. Make sure you requires the language in the language file. Parent screen is the screen when the user clicks done or console. You should put the current screen as the parent. So I need to create a custom block, custom code thing. I think custom element it's called config screen. Config screen. setup like that, and we have a lot of things. The thing is, I have no clue how this all works. Like, public class. Wait, what is this one? What's it's that? So I need to put my code in that or around that, basically, right? I think, uh, or in this. I have no clue how to script God. I'm cooked. I need to paste that code in, I think. Is the screen when the user clicks done on console? You should put current screen as print. What does that have a red icon? Uh-huh. So there's a problem, apparently, but I can't see it. Wait, do I have to overlay it? Because wait, yeah, there's this. It's gonna throw an error. Goodbye. Wait, it actually launches. It's gonna crash. It's gonna crash. It's gonna crash. I know it's gonna crash. I'm actually bad, so yeah, GG's, bro. My skills are so bad. Even while following a tutorial, I will. This we can proceed to the main menu. You see, it doesn't work. So this thing rather doesn't work too. But wait, can we even? I'm gonna have to use AI a lot, I think. Can we even create a config screen on cloth config for Neoforge? Uh, oh. Oh, my client mod constructor. I don't know what it is. Wait, my example, public example mod client, mod, yeah. Or just the close config screen factory container this class container parent. Okay, this I can do. I just need to copy this. I think, well, so first off, close. And second off, I can now delete this. Yup. Then open workspace folder, source, main, Java, net, static route, many ways to die. And is that A? Is that A? No, it's not, right? It shall not. A lots of things here. No, I think I need to do another Java thing, which would be called many ways to die mod clients. Gotta fill that gray. So many ways to die mod clients.java. Now it works. Yes. And yeah. Extension pack for Java. Oh, there are lots of things to get all that working. Anyways, build a screen with close config. But I'm using MCreator. MCreator. How can I do it? Because like it's different, like everything works different. Uh-huh. Yeah, as a dependency. Yeah. Add API answers for clock config. I mean, this is already done. Create the config screen code. Create a new custom code element and call it cloth config app. And I need to paste that in that code. Register the screen the Neoforge way. Yeah. Uh, uh. Okay, so basically I did that for no day. Great. So, I've done that. Create the config. So, let's cloth config Apple. Let's click the custom element called cloth config helper. Let's create the custom element. Bam, bam. Okay. Now what do? Gemini, please tell me. I'm a noob. Just create another custom code element or use a mod initializer hook. Screen register. Let's create a new custom element. Config screen register. Let's do this. And let's close and save. And let's close and save, and let's do this. And bam! An error. Yep. Do nothing. Okay, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Let's actually do this and this. It's gonna be easier. AI is gonna do the work for me, guys. At this point, I can't. There are unnamed classes are a previous feature. What? Uh-huh. The problem is I'm using Java 1.21.8, okay? Maybe it changes, Maybe it's not Java 21.1.0, but maybe it's Java 1.21, wait, Java 21.0.5 dot minus dot, you know, uh, bro. You cannot just have a function floating a file. It needs to be inside a public class. Config screen register. Some config screen register this. I replace it with that. Alright. Uh, okay. So now I need to go back here, go to source main Java nets telegram anyways to die. Oh, and now I do this one. So now I need to look for a thing. But what is that thing? Well, guess what? I don't know. I've already forgotten. I'm just so bad, bro. Oh, copy this again. Oh, where? Yeah, okay. Uh, oh yeah, this from there. Okay. Look for the public many ways to die. Uh, I event boss or something. So public. I need it for a public. It's not this. It might be this. Not that. It might be the thing. I already highlighted. It was. Okay, great. So it's this one. Mod constructor. I think it's this one I need. S- Start of user code block mod constructor. I think it's this. But I have no clue. So yeah. Original code. Oh God, no way. Again, many errors. Maybe I should give Gemini my entire code base. It looks like we have two specific symbol errors in Java. This usually means you're trying to use a name of a class doesn't mean defining that specific scope. Okay, you know what? You know what? Let me just right Control C, you know. I'm gonna do config screen app, you know, this, bam bam bam. And then I'll do clove config app, clove config app, yeah. No, it's clove. It's config screen register. My bad. Config screen register, and that's clove config app, and that will be not it because I need as well the other one, which is this one, and that's the main thing. Main Java class. Yeah, I'm bad. I'm gonna try to learn how to mod again. No, let's stick with Roblox development. Okay, many ways to download Java inside the class. Mm-hmm. Do the whole files for all the fixes inside the canvas. Yeah, it's gonna be better. So clove configure helper. Okay. Config screen register. mod class. So this one is in the long path because we can't access it somehow. I still hate why they don't make us being able to access it. It would be much cooler if we could, but no, they don't want to. Okay, hopefully it works now. It won't. Yeah, ignore error. There's still something. I'm getting troubleshoot on that entirely with AI now. Yeah, it's main mod class. Oh, it's the main mod class. Okay, I think I'll just let this window open. Uh, like also this window opened. Uh, because otherwise I have to, you know, lots of things. Bro, it just doesn't work, Gemini. Just, I'm gonna install Cloud Code. Okay, hopefully this works now. I have no hope for it to work actually, so yeah. It's even worse, I hope. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna unlist this, you know, live stream and just delete the entire thing I've made. Uh, and it's the thing, I think I should develop mods using an actual IDE and not MCreator, because MCreator, what it does is shit. I'm sorry to say that, by the way, but like it's actually kind of bad most of the time, because for some reason I don't know why, but most of the time it just won't work. So yeah. Yes, we have it. Finally, so Gemini actually troubleshooted it. Save false. 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 Wait, because if I rerun it, will it actually look at the actual thing? Maybe it will, maybe not. It is crazy. Maybe I'll try to actually make mods using an actual IDE instead of, you know, MCreator, because MCreator is shit considering all what's happening. It doesn't even save, that's the thing. Yeah, no. Yeah, let's uninstall all this. I think it was pretty fun to experiment with. I'm actually gonna make mod with this though. It is a short thing. I'm still gonna use this glove config and all, but it's gonna be a fabric mode instead. I know fabric has a mode check or something. Let me actually look at it. Um, does fabric have a similar thing as Forge or Neoforge mod update checker? It would be cool online. Oh, uh, okay. Yeah, so if you want to develop a mod, I feel like you would need fabric on your forge, but not forge. Forge, nah, okay. Never even think about this because it's bad. Let me just uninstall my workspace entirely. I'm just so sad I can't do it. MCreator's shit. Like, if you want to actually develop a mod, learn how to do so. Instead of using programs like MCreator, because MCreator is shit for doing this. Um, Maybe some others are better, but MCreator in itself, no. No, no, no. I'm gonna uninstall the GRE because it's actually not useful. Yeah, I've installed it for no reason, but that's okay. That's okay. I don't know if I need Git if I already have Git Kraken. I think I do need it. I don't remember if it comes um like pre-bundled. Wait, Luna Client was running all this time? Uh-huh, okay, don't have a confidence anymore in Luna Client. Um, yeah, Visual Studio Code. I mean, it's fine in most cases, not in the ones that I actually want. Um, why is the Microsoft Teams? I never actually installed it even so. I don't know what it's doing here. Creator, of course. What I need you to tell is that if you want to actually develop mode, use IntelliJ IDE or something. Uh, because it's gonna be much better since, well, it's the point. Uh, IntelliJ is specifically made for Java development, and especially IntelliJ have been making great things around Minecraft in itself. Yeah, because it's kind of a partnership. Kind of. It's not really a partnership in itself, but it's kind of a partnership where basically IntelliJ, you know, kind of made the program for Minecraft specifically. So yeah, I mean, actually install it. Wait, IntelliJ IDEA. There we go. It's a dark web interface. No, it's a light theme. If I disable my extension, it's gonna burn my house, my eyes, as well as yours. So let's not do this, okay? Developer tools, data grip, Juni, all IDs, jailbreak IDs, make it happen with code. Smart, tailored, ready to work, reliable, uniform, multilingual. Ooh. That's great though. They make great things. Choose your ID. Oh my, they have to find your ID. My primary language. Well, guess what? None of them. Um, they have lots of things. Wait, what are those? IntelliJ IDEA, as I've told you, Python, PHP Storm, Rider, Golang, Client, WebStorm, Rest Rover, or Rest Developers, okay. Rubbermind, Data Grip, this one I've seen has for it recently. Data Spell, your AI powered tool for analyzing data and sharing insight. What? Okay. Reach Shopper, visuals to dial a much better ID. Okay. No matter whether you do data, okay, yeah. More than some of the features. Actually, for Java, if you want to make mods on Minecraft, Java, BAM, or like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Python, SQL/databases, Java, TypeScript, C Sharp, C++, C, PHP, Go, Kotlin, Rust, Ruby, R, which is, I don't know actually, what is R? What is R? It's just a letter. This PyCharm. So maybe something related for Python because there's R on the display but not on PyCharm. So Scala, VB.NET, and F Sharp. So these four last I don't know about. Anyways, IntelliJ IDEA. Don't know for Windows. Um, as an exe, of course. Wait a minute, I forgot something. That's when developers feel scared, like when it is said like IntelliJ goes AI. Like you're like, what? Excuse me. By the way, I'm gonna disable it, bro. Ooh, oh yeah. Oh really? So now it's just a single edition. Before, what it used to be is the whole software. There's an Ultimate Edition and a Free Edition, the Community Edition. Now it's all bundled up. But then it means that they can integrate ads more, and it sucks. Oh, why don't the text goes blank when it's in doc mode with doc reader? Maybe I should configure it like that way, right? Filter. Oh, I thought you could like, I don't know, make it change or something. Like make it so yeah, the text also goes white instead of staying in a non-readable color. But no. So let's download IntelliJ IDEA, you know. It's not gonna take a bunch of time. Hopefully. Go. Ideal U. So that means automate. That's bad. Let's not create a desktop shortcut. Yeah, let's create all file associations and bin folder to the path. Install. And now we have to wait. This might take a while. It depends on your computer, but it also depends if you're. No, I mean internet speed does not count because everything's in the inside. But it depends on your computer speed. Like for the hardware, like the SSD, hard drive, or maybe just your processing speed as a whole. So yeah, depends. After installing it, configuring it the way I like it, I'm gonna stop streaming because I feel bored. So I'm gonna learn a bit of how to mod in Neoforge. So from my opinion, it's my opinion, mine, respect mine, thanks. The best mode loader for Minecraft would be between Fabric and Neoforge. Not Forge, too old, too clanky, too slow. And like some features as well, and modernity. Quilt is too unstable in my opinion. Uh, it's pretty fast, but still too unstable. Um, I'm talking about the four major ones. So Quilt, Fabric, Neoforge, and Forge. Fabric pretty fast and pretty stable, and Neoforge pretty feature packed and stable too, with kind of like faster than Forge, but like slower than Fabric, but it doesn't rush as much as Fabric. Um, Now, personally, my favorite, my go-to if I want to develop a mode would absolutely be intel. What am I? What am I even saying? What do you mean IntelliJ ID? No, no. My actual favorite would be what is it? Um, how is it called? Like actually. Oh yeah, my bad. I was every time I want to speak, like sometimes I get confused out of nowhere and bam, I can't anymore. And like I get confused even more and yeah, afterwards I just can't, bro. So yeah. So basically, every time I want to get a mod, like a mod loader to create a mod, I would recommend for everyone to use Neoforge, not Fabric. Too unstable. Compared to Neoforge, it crashes a bunch if you don't have the requirements set. There are some features that, not gonna lie, are bad. Uh, you know, like there are things that are bad about it, such as Fabric is okay, very great, you know. But actually, what am I doing, bro? So basically, Minecraft is, bro. It's third or fourth time I say this, but anyways, basically, Quilt is too unstable, too new, and not reliable for features and all. I wouldn't recommend it. 4G is too old. There's no modernity at all put into it. And it feels clunky. Also, I wouldn't recommend it. Fabric is too unstable too. It crashes a lot of times when you don't meet the requirements, even when you know it's not. The mod dev said it as required, but it's not actually required. Like it's duplicate something, it might crash. Yeah, if it even if it's duplicates, it might crash. So yeah, there also is the fact that um the fact that Fabric doesn't have features that would be useful to it. For example, an update checker. Who doesn't need an update checker? You know, who actually doesn't need an update checker? I'm asking you guys. Yeah, there's no one I know, but still, it's pretty crazy. Wait, so yeah, an update checker is essential nowadays. Like you have your favorite mod, you have it installed, Neoforge and Forge can handle that, not Fabric, as a quote. And sad. So yeah, Fabric and quotes likes features, Forge is too clunky and too old, but Neoforge is the perfect middle because it is not clunky, it's still pretty fast. It doesn't crash for no reason. It has a lot of features. So that's my go-to. Personally, you're not obligated to, do as like me, like me. Why not? I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Bro, why doesn't it work? Please. Why? There we go. Minecraft development. So that's popular plugin because basically, uh, every Minecraft dev uses it. First class support for every major Java Minecraft modding plugin development platform, including Bucket, SpyGuard, Paper, Sponge, Forge, Neoforge, Fabric, Arch Architecture, Velocity, Bungie Code. Also includes additional features supporting MCP mappings and mixins for mod development displays. Text-based NBT editor. So yeah, should I install it though? Depending on page. Uh, right. Let me tell Gemini if I should. If I wanna dev a mod on IntelliJ, oh, IntelliJ idea, should I install the plugin bed, the plugin Minecraft developments? Does Gemini recommend it? Yes, you should definitely install. Okay, great. What is it? It isn't strictly mandatory to build a mod. It is considered the industry standard for IntelliJ idea and will save you hours of manual configuration and debugging. Your project setup. Instead of manually configuring complex build.gradle or pom.xml files, the plugin provides a project wizard. Oh, well, let me download it now. Install, accept, restart ID, restart. Yep, I think that's the only thing I need. I also likes to disable any AI plugins or AI related plugins, like AI pouch, disable whole, Uh, build tools, database. My database, really need to. I usually do it like, because sometimes it comes pre-installed with Junie or AI things, which I don't like. I feel like this time it didn't. Why don't it work? Okay, it's broken, I think. Or is it? I don't know. Bro. Plugins. What? Okay, I'm gonna enable them all by hand. That's what you're trying to tell me right now? Bro. This one you can't even disable, bro. There are lots of things that are bad, but don't worry, you don't even need them. Yeah, all of these that are bad, it's just on enterprises that heavily use this software because you don't need them, and in any case you actually need them, well, yeah, good luck with you. Good luck for you. Like, go find something else because most of these tools here you won't even use. So, yeah, what's that? Time tracking. It's a pet pug. It's a pet plugging. I love it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. It's been an amazing live stream. I'm about to try making a mod, like the actual mod this time, using this time an actual ID and using the configuration. And this time I'll start with you because yeah, I already have on modern my mod thing set up. As you can see, there's many ways to die here, as you can see. And I never configured it. Like I just created it with this the ID thing, the name, the public thing, the license, and that's it. And not even the license actually. Like when you create new projects, I did this visibility summary, and that's it. I did nothing else. So yeah. Hope it's been a great live stream for you. It wasn't actually too much for me. You wouldn't be able to watch this live stream for at least an hour or two before about it. I stop the live stream because I'm gonna do some modifications with it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, see ya.